This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 25B is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, DVD player, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, oven, refrigerator, TV, air conditioning, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 25B is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.